Alright. Damn. Morning, y'all. It is currently Wednesday, January 14th. That's 6:24. I'm gonna upload this video this afternoon when I get home from school. Yeah, I'm so exhausted. Anyways, on to better mindset shit. I passed an eval yesterday for 50K funded. So, that's the exciting news. Wonderful things. Anyways, what we have to look at today, everything that news-wise already came out. So, I need to find a way to record my trading view without leaking all of my account information. So, I'm assuming that'll just be me using OBS on TradingView, maybe on like my laptop or something. With paper trading up, and then my funded account on like a browser tab or something. Anyways, we're gonna try and figure that out. But for today, I don't think we'll do a long. Well, I'm not gonna be able to because I don't want to leak any of my account information. What I will do is I will. I still have this. High time for SMT. Sorry. What I will do is do back testing later. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the plan. Do back testing later, go over the trade that I hopefully take today. I'm going to start trading on micros, so I'm going to pull up an MNQ. And yeah, so we'll be I've heard that it's better to look at NQ and ES and then take a trade on either MNQ or MES from there. So that's what we'll be doing. Anyways, market's gonna open in just over 2 minutes. So I will go over the trade if I take one later, and we'll do some back testing. For now, yeah, for now, peace. Alright, y'all. So, basically, what happened today is... What is happening? Yo, Siri just decided to turn on. That's... Alright. Cool, man. Basically, what happened this trading day... Also, I am way too late to this video, bro. I was gonna get this sheet done this afternoon, and I was just being a lazy bum. Well, it's not true. I was helping my parents up with stuff, and then I spent my entire evening out in the woods razoring. It was fun, but I had shit to do. So, oh well. Anyways, trade for the day. This was the winning trade. I had 2 L's. I took a long position to what I thought was going to take out the data high. We got griefed, and we didn't take out the data high. We literally missed so many DOLs today. Like, we took out London low, right? And then we would go for a long trade up to the data high. Get geeked, and then take break even. But actually what happened is I had a buy order set at 1 unit on ES right here, right? And it was resting. And I was like looking in here on the 1 minute, and then I was over on NQ and I was like charting stuff out, right? This was left here as a set buy limit. So I got entered in, and then I got immediately bottom tick to stop loss. So that was down 400 already. And then I tried to take a continuation trade down here and got immediately stopped out. So pretty baked. 2 L's. But then, oh wait, that's not on the right thing. That's because I was on my actual funded. But then we took a good W right here. Tapped into a unmitigated 15 minute, and then we inverse this 2 minute and got a great entry. Targeted this unfilled 5 minute. Oh my god, it's gonna do this stupid unfilled 5 minute, and I should have targeted the low, but because I traded ES, I only got entered, or I should be trading MNQ for these things, or MES, but I only got entered in on one position, so it was either take profit here or here, and yeah, I could have dragged stop loss, but I figured we still would have wanted to make a continuation higher to the data high. Turns out I'm jerking, and yeah, so anyways, somebody took a very similar trade that was a little further down, and they took it on the 15th. There was a 15-second inverse gap. I think I caught the better entry, and they took it on NQ. There's a 15-second inverse gap. We gotta be shitting me. Anyways, so in my opinion, I low genuinely took the better trade, but I didn't target down here, which is what I should have done. I should have targeted here for a 1 to 5, and that would have hit full TP with ease. Like, this was all within the same couple minutes. Like, yeah, I hit take profit here. It just started dumping. I hit take profit here. It would have been 2 more minutes and I would have hit take profit. Slightly unfortunate, but that's alright. I also didn't want to, like, over risk because I had already taken 2 L's. So I'm technically negative 203 on the day, but we made a recovery from negative 600, which I was decently pleased with. So we'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to be more focused on sticking to one trade, regardless if I mess up or not. I think I can probably lock my account out on Lucid, which is probably what I'll do after taking one trade, just to force myself to not trade. Yeah. I might get into let me think. I low-key have schoolwork to do, and I might do some back testing later on my laptop when I go to bed. I need to have a shower too. Dang. Showers in the big 2.6, bro. Disgusting. And I need to edit this video. So low-key, I'm gonna just keep this one short, just do the trade recap of the day. Get into some back testing this evening, hopefully on my laptop. Take a shower. I need to get stuff ready for my exit interview for graduation, which is happening tomorrow. I'll be able to stay on the charts for a little longer tomorrow because I don't need to be at school until 9 because we have like provincial assessments. Yeah. Anyways, so what would have happened is, let me just quickly go over this. I got entered in here, right? Stops were here at 225, and I got hit take profit at 362. I could have taken profit at, well, I really could have taken profit at like 1200, right at the bottom of the draw. Or ideally, I would have targeted the next draw on liquidity, because I probably would have trailed stops to the top of this gap, and I would have been able to hit like 1300. But that's okay. I still recovered, and it was a good trade. I don't know. This trade happened very fast, and I low-key don't know why I didn't put it down to the draw, because that was the better place to target. But oh well, that's fine. Tomorrow, what do we have in terms of news? Let's find out. Hopefully this isn't full screen. Tomorrow, yeah, today was like hella PPI, retail sales. Yeah. Tomorrow was unemployment claims. And then we have Philly Fed and Empire State Manufacturing, all at 5:30 my time, which is 8:30 EST. Pretty chill trading day. Friday should also be pretty free. It's just hella yellow folder news, so essentially should be good price action. And tomorrow should be pretty good because it's just unemployment claims. Next week might be a little faded. We have Monday as a bank holiday. Tuesday chill, Wednesday chill. Oh, but Trump speaks, so not so chill. Thursday we have GDP quarterly, unemployment claims, and core PCE. I'll probably chill on that. Friday, I'd be down because it's just WEF meetings, which could be a little quirky. Well, I'll definitely trade Tuesday next week. Monday's definitely a no-go. And I have to see what other traders are saying in the space. Hopefully price action's good with the WF annual meetings, because then I can trade Tuesday and I can trade Friday. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for this recap. If I do any back testing, I'll post it on my Instagram story. Link is in the little description of this YouTube video. And yeah, I'll be back. I did a run this morning. I'll be doing a run tomorrow. Be up at my regular time, do all my regular stuff, even though I'm going to school a little bit later. We're gonna be up for that market. We're trying to get 5 profit days on the beautiful funded that we have been blessed with a passing of. And what else? That's pretty much it. So that's what I'll be on tomorrow. That's the plan. I will upload a video tomorrow. I don't work at all. It's a Thursday, right? Thursday? Yeah. So I shouldn't have anything going on in the afternoon. Friday I can also do a video completely chill, and I'll try and do something this weekend. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.